Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Deepak Kumar Samal. I welcome all of you to my channel Quality Magnify India. Gents, this video, if you go through this channel, you will find a lot of videos related to API, ASME, ASME pressure vessel section 8, section 9, lot of videos for welding, painting, piping, auditing. So I saw a lot of guys are watching those videos, but they're not subscribing to this channel. So what my request is, kindly subscribe to this channel if you need more and more videos, because it is giving me inspiration. If you subscribe, more subscribers, for you it is cost nothing, for me it's a great help. Okay, it gives me an encouragement that more and more people are watching, so that I can make more and more videos. And I believe those videos are really helping you in your industrial career wherever you're working, even though you are new to this industry, or you are experienced guy, or you want to enhance your career more. By these videos you can learn more, many things. So gents, the today's video is understand bolt grade. So in your day-to-day life, I believe you saw many types of fasteners. It doesn't limited to only mechanical. It goes to mechanical, civil, electrical, and instruments. And fastener is everywhere. So when you bring a bolt, you find something is written on the top of the bolt. Sometimes some numbers, sometimes some alphabet. So did you ask yourself what does those number or alphabet explains or describes? What is the meaning of those numbers or alphabets? So what is the property class or grade of the bolt? Whether it is a stainless steel, whether it is a carbon steel, what is the tensile strength of that? What is the yield strength of that? What type of metal it is? So all these things usually they mention on the bolt head in order to understand what type of bolt head it is. Sometimes the threads, okay, for those threads, is it a coarse thread? It is a fine thread. So all this information usually, if you will find in a bolt head, it is written everything. You will find everything on this bolt head. So sometimes what you have to do, you don't know the bolt grade, okay, because most of the bolts, if it is galvanized, okay, so you cannot find out what type of bolt it is, what is the grade of the bolt, okay. But if you read on the bolt head, you can find out on the top of the bolt head, you can find out many things. So in this video we'll learn what we understand, what that number or alphabet explains, okay, for that bolt, and for that bolt which is mentioned on the bolt head. So let's say I put an example here. Here there are many numbers are written on the bolt head. Okay, 4.6, 4.8, 5.8, 8.8, up to 12.9. So if you saw such type of bolts and those numbers are written here, so what does it mean? Okay, so if you see it is written 4.6, then it means for two things. First number is for tensile. Second for yield. So what is tensile and what is yield strength? We will find out. So property class is a designation system as per ISO 898 standard, ASME B 18.2.1 for bolts and screws. This is about the codes. As I told you earlier, if you need to know more detail about bolt and nuts and the screws, all these details, if you want to know, just comment on this video so that I can prepare a detailed video on that. Okay, on this ISO standards I can go, or ASME standards I can go, and I can summarize you in detail, which will explain you a lot of things. So if you see here, I put one bolt and nut assembly where I have mentioned M12 multiply 1.75. What does it mean by M12? M12 is the measure diameter, okay, the outside diameter, which is denote M12, okay. And what is 1.75? 1.75 is the pitch, okay. When I say pitch, it is from here to here, okay, or from here to here. So that is called pitch, okay, or lead. We call a lead or pitch. This is only for your information. So let's come to our head details where it is written 4.6. If it is written 4.6, then the first digit of the bolt grade represents 100th part of the nominal tensile strength or proof load or bolt. If it is 4, you multiply with 400. So how much it is? 400 MPa. So this is its tensile strength. If it is written 4.6, then 400 MPa is its tensile strength. Then what is 6? You have to find out 6 multiply by 400. So 400 multiply by 0.6. So what will happen? Second digit of the bolt grade is a factor which represents yield strength. So how will find out yield strength? 4 denotes for 400. 400 multiplied by 0.6, which is become 240. So 240 is its yield strength. You got my point? Now is it clear? So yield strength is the second digit, first digit is the tensile strength. So tensile strength you find out 400, 400 multiplied by zero point 0.6, it comes 240 MPa, which is the yield strength. This is what the bolt head is explaining by number. Okay, here I put the extraction from the codes, which is showing if the head marking is 4.6, then the grade specification 4 is 400. Okay, and 4 multiplied by 6.6 is 240, which is the yield strength, tensile strength and yield strength. But you will not find exactly on other areas. If it is 5, it should be 500, but it is showing 520 because it varies 500 to 520. Okay, so you multiply 520 by 8 or 500 by 8, it should come 400. So 400 to 420 is the yield strength. Similarly, for 8.8, it is 830, it is written, that means 800 to 830. If you multiply by 8, 8 is 64, so 640 is the yield strength. Similarly, for 10, it is 1040, it is written 1000 to 1040. If you multiply by 9.9 with this one, so it is become 900, so 900 to 940. So this is what it is explaining. Up to the number 12.9, all are alloy steels. And when the number is showing 4.6, 5.8, the material is different. For 4.6, it is low or medium carbon steel. For 5.8, it is quenched and tempered steels. It is medium carbon steel, quenched and tempered. And 10.9 and 12.9 are alloy steels, quenched and tempered. If it is coming A2 or A4, then it is steel with chromium and nickel. Okay, we can say it is a high alloy steels. Okay, or stainless steel. A2 and A4. It is coming high alloy steels or stainless steel. So when it is coming no mark, if there is no mark on the head, okay, then it is low or medium carbon steel. Okay, if there is no mark, then it is low or medium carbon steel, low carbon steel, and low and medium carbon steel with different grades. If the specification it is showing SAE J429 grade 1, which comes with a MTC, then it is from 33,000 psi proof load to 36,000 yield strength, and tensile strength is 60,000. Okay, this no need to remember, only for your information. But for B5, B6 and B7, you have to check. Okay, B5, B6 and B7, B7 is the high alloy. Okay, high alloy bolted, but B5 and B6 are high temperature service. They can use B5 and B6. These are all high temperature services, bolts, screws, and struts for high temperature services. But the superior was B7, okay, which comes as AISI 4140, which is there is some part of chromium is there in B7 bolts, which is used as high temperature service. But when you come to B8, B8 is completely stainless steel, okay, non-corrosive. Non-corrosive one. B8 means non-corrosive. It is a non-corrosive one. Okay. So for B7 is AISI 4140, 4142 or 4145. It from 1/4 inch to 2/4 inch. Okay. And the tensile strength is 125 psi. Okay. So the last one, if you go to B8, okay, B8 is AISI 304. It's stainless steel, as I told you. B8 is the stainless steel, AISI 304. If B8C, then it is AISI 347, higher grade, okay. If B8M, then AISI 316. If B8T, then AISI 321. So the alphabet and numbers are combined here. Okay, B8 is a stainless steel. It is for high temperature service, and it is material is AISI 304. 304 we know it is stainless steel. Okay, B8C, it is also for bolt screw stores of high temperature service, but it is AISI 347, higher grade. Then B8M is for 316 material, which is also a higher grade, and B8M is ASA 321, which is also a higher grade. So that's all for the bolt head identification and getting the information from the bolt head. If it is written something on the bolt head, how you will come to know what type of bolt head, what it represents is. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. I believe you get more information from this video. Please kindly share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.